Okay guys, we are going to Springfest. I think that's what it's called. People were saying this would be a really good spot to go to. There's a bunch of cars and stuff. Obviously, you can see by the line, it's going to be a while before I go in. So I'm going to get back to you guys when either I get in or I meet up with some other people that I know. People said they were coming to this thing, so yeah, I just got off work and just rode over here. Yeah, so I will update you guys whenever I can. So, well, we kind of made it.
If you guys want to go around, don't want to sit in traffic, go in the far left lane, but go slow.
Okay, thanks, man. Yeah, thank you. Okay guys, so they are letting us go out on track, which is fucking insane. Yeah, holy shit. For a fucking car event, the busiest car event probably in Washington State ever, or maybe, I don't know, I could be wrong, but they're letting us out on fucking track, man. Paid $75 for 3 laps, but I don't care. Like, we're in formation, get to experience some track before we actually do one, see if it's something we want to do. So I'm fucking hyped. Pretty sure everyone else is too. Yeah, so okay, I'm gonna record once we get up there. I don't want to waste too much battery, but yeah, they're letting us on the fucking track, which is insane. It's because they said it was their first time doing it, so I will get back to you guys very shortly. Very, very shortly. Here we go, guys. fucking cool. Yeah, Pacific's perfect, dude. However, the Ridge is a cheaper option. Yeah! That was nice, dude. Fuck, I might leave after that, man. Oh man, that was cool.